It's been a second, and been messing around ever since that one dragster I built earlier. It's my bedroom actually. This is not how I planned on this car to go. I tried the four-wheel drive thing, and the stretch, even though I have a set of 3 pulleys incorporated into the design of this car, it still wasn't very much, and seriously underestimated or overestimated the amount of grip that this would have. It did alright when it was weighted down, but nonetheless, decided to change it up a bit. You can see the front axle has been removed. Got a little pin right there, and it was designed to have bearings. I don't have bearings in it because I'm already thinking about redesigns. This unit was not supposed to go on this car whatsoever. I was just experimenting with pulleys, designing, and well, you know, I'm using what I've learned from this in my next project as well. So I didn't want to permanently affix anything. That's why I have this thing held together by rubber bands, and this rear axle is not even secured in place without even front wheels. Alright, let's get some wheels on this thing without losing the pulley. If I lose the pulley, then it's a headache. That's also something I'm going to have to incorporate into my redesign. I don't want to lose the pulley. This is going to be hard to record. Oh no. Okay. Alright. Thought I broke something. Everything's good. Let's see if I could just... It's going to be hard to record, like I said. So the front axle is not powered in this version. It will be eventually, but this is just a 2-wheel drive dragster, not even dragster, mashup of different things, different projects. Either way, it runs. Let me sit on the ground here. Alright, so see, the whole thing's starting to get bent because I've got 2 elastic bands on there, and it's roughly a I'm really stretching it this time. Oh man. Alright, so I've got about 4 links of cord wrapped around that rear axle from this pulley setup. Yeah, I guess it did alright. But, you know, I wanted it to do better. And I hadn't even ran out. The elastic doesn't really have much left in it. Let's see if it even rolls. Oh no, it's going backwards. Okay, never mind. I got wrapped up in it. See if I can get it going the right way. Oh yeah. Now what the heck, let's do another. This time I'll try to keep up with it. Alright, so I'm maxed out with my pulleys. It's going fast for me for a second. Oh, then again, I'm trying to run on linoleum. So yeah, that's that. Frankenstein car. It works alright, but it can work a lot better. This is something I used to learn with. Alright. Stay up there, baby.